Hello, my name's Michael Mazarang, and I'm a foundation repair specialist here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And today I'm with one of our customers, Joe Audette, and we did some repairs at his home. This particular foundation repair was very specialized, as we used a geotechnical engineered solution to solve his Boeing basement wall situation. There was no ability to be able to excavate on the outside of the house to solve this solution, and we were able to apply these geotechnical type solutions for this customer, doing it completely from the inside of the house, from the basement, with very minimal invasive intrusion to the footprint. We saved this customer perhaps $7,000 to $10,000. And we were able to provide this engineered solution at a much more competitive price point. Mr. Audette, tell me a little bit about your experience that you had with the crew and with the company.
Well, they were all very professional. I have to say, just overall, I'm 100% satisfied with the work. And as you mentioned, it would not have been easy to solve these problems a different way, because there's patios and decking and all kinds of stuff on the outside that would have made it virtually impossible to excavate from the outside of the house. So I wasn't sure, whether it was even possible to fix this stuff. And what they engineered and what they built, I feel 100% confident that this foundation is not moving anymore. The walls have been bowing and buckling a little bit, and this was my dad's house, and I bought out my two brothers' shares of it when he passed away, and I wanted to live here for a long time, and I wanted to know that it was going to hold up and I wouldn't have to worry about any structural problems. And they came in and just did amazing work, very efficient, cleaned up after themselves. And I mean, even when they were restoring things when they were done and hanging the plumbing back, it's better hung than it was before. Every little detail, I feel like they really did it well. And now I feel 100% confident that this structure is going to hold up for the rest of my life and well beyond.
Well, Chris Merman, of course, and myself, we go back 20 years in the industry, and we decided to try this on our own, to get away from the franchisees and sort of the two-dimensional thinking that can be in the industry at this time. Chris is a 20-year vet in the industry. I know he's extremely picky about his job sites. How did you feel about the job site cleanup, and how were his people when were engaging you during the project?
They were all very courteous, friendly, easy to talk to, well-mannered. I was very, very impressed with both Chris and the people that he had working for him. It's dirty work. You don't expect people in suit and ties for this kind of job. But, these guys are doing hard work, and they did not leave in a mess, at the end of each day. I'm not saying, there were certain points in between you have to leave it because you're not finished, but no excess mess anywhere. And as soon as it was possible to clean something up, they did. Of course, they're drilling holes through the wall and dirt's coming in on the floor. I mean, a lot of mess gets created in this kind of work. So it's amazing that they do manage to keep it from getting out. Actually reused some of that dirt to help with some low spots in my front yard when we were getting the dirt out of the walls, and now I've got these steel rods going through steel plates, and they're embedded in wrapped in concrete where they filled it. And I mean, this thing is just literally a bunker now, if any kind of earthquake happens. Not that we get them here in North Carolina, but any kind of disaster, I think I'll be hunkering down in my bunker here.
Well, certainly the warranty, of course, stands by itself. This we offer, of course, a full transferable warranty that you'll be able to enjoy, or any future homeowner. I mean, they'll be pulling these things out of the ground in 200 years probably. But mainly, we just wanted to thank you for having us be involved with your project. We are a specialty foundation repair company, and this particular approach using a geotechnical soil nail stabilization plan is unique. Only a couple of companies in the Charlotte market offer this solution, and we just wanted, hopefully folks can find us when they need us. And naturally, if you do have a bowing basement wall inside your house or any foundation repair that's needed on your house, I have access to the best engineering partners, contractors, professionals, inspectors in the industry, and I'll be glad to share that network with you. But certainly, you need to give us a call. You can either call myself. My name's Michael Mazarang, 704-787-6972. Again, we want to thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you've learned something today about bowing basement walls and soil nail retaining systems. Thank you for joining us today.
These are the guys you want to hire. Believe me, they do outstanding work. And with this kind of work, you really want someone who knows how to do it. And Chris Merman's like the Jedi Master of this kind of thing,
He is that. I've known Chris for 20 years, and certainly a very high ethical standard and top-notch quality in these types of problems. And again, thank you, Mr. Audette, for working with us on the project.
You guys are good guys. They treat you right. They take care of you. I highly recommend it.
Thank you very much. Take care.